Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zebra ZSB series label printer and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. If this printer is not printing or not connecting to Wi-Fi or not syncing with your device or anything like that, a hard reset can be a good fix to a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it. And that's kind of the second reason why you might want to do this. If you're just trying to get this printer set up in a new location or whatever reason, you just want to get it set up as a new device coming out of the box with everything wiped off of it, we can do that really easily. What we're going to do is we're just going to come and find the reset button on the back of the device. And we're going to keep that with a paper clip or something like that. We're going to press and hold that reset button for 6 seconds. And you'll see on the front, on the power button, the LED ring surrounding the power button will blink white as the printer reboots, and then red on the left and right sides respectively when the reset completes. Once that happens, it will actually print out a QR code if you've got paper and ink and everything in there, and you can use that to set it up as new.